Hey everybody, Brent here. If you clicked on this video, you probably are thinking, how did he get free Ryobi tools? Well, it's pretty simple. Ryobi is giving free tools to everyone right now, and I took advantage of it because if you go on homedepot.com and you buy a combo kit of $249, I believe, you get 2 free tools, and if you buy a kit, I believe, for $149, you get 1 free tool. They're doing this for a few different manufacturers right now. I believe I saw Rigid, DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Ryobi was one of those. And as I go through, I'm trying to test more of the tools, so I wanted to invest in it because there were a few tools that I didn't have, and Ryobi obviously has the best price, so I'm going to give those a shot. So in this video, I'm actually going to go through a open boxing of these and see what they're like. This is the brushless 3-piece toolkit with an impact, a regular drill driver, and a circular saw. This is a brushless belt sander, and this is the new cordless wet dry vac 6-gallon off the 18-volt 1+ battery. I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't been able to get my hands on these tools, but since Ryobi was able to kind of make the deal worth it, I saved a couple $100. I actually got these 2 tools for free with the kit. This kit was $249, and these 2 were free, so I saved a couple $100 there. And I really needed a belt sander, and I wanted a larger wet dry vac that I didn't have to drag a cord around. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to open the kit, the 3-piece kit. As always, I'm using my Leatherman Rev to open packages. The reason why is it has an actual package opener. It's pretty nifty, so let's get to opening. Alright, so it comes in a nice tote bag. Feels like a decent material. Similar to Milwaukee. Okay, in the kit, the brushless impact. We have the brushless drill driver. Cool. We have a 2 amp hour 18-volt lithium battery. Let's go ahead and just snap that in there. Cool. This is the new 3 amp hour HP battery. And this is supposed to work intelligently with brushless tools and giving peak boost of power at certain times. Came with 1 bar of power, but that's alright. This one's different. Interesting. Alright. I actually didn't know it was going to be brushless, so this is a pleasant surprise. Even at brushed, I thought this was a pretty decent deal. Alright. We have our quick charger, which this does NiCad, lithium, and lithium plus battery, so it charges all of them. I have a few of these now, so not pretty standard. You know, I'm just noticing this is a 7 1/4 or 7 1/4 inch blade here. Oh wow, this is actually really big. I thought this was going to be the smaller version. First impression of the impact, it's solid. The rubber overmold feels very comfortable. You know, the plastics actually feel a little bit more durable than previous. They don't feel as hard or rigid. The construction, the chuck is all metal. It feels good. I don't necessarily like that the light is down here. So the light is on the base here above the battery instead of right below of the driver itself of the chuck. I feel like I could hit some shadows here pretty easily. But it does have a small, maybe hard to see, a small magnetic area to put screws in there. Usually on my other drills it's a little bigger, so I don't know if that's going to be as usable, but we'll find out. It does have an extra bit storage here. Let's see. This is not a quick change chuck, so you have to pull it to get the bit out. Then you have to pull it again in order to insert your bits. But brushless, I'll take it for what I paid for it. Alright. So this battery here does not have a level check on it. This is, I think, the lowest grade battery that's made right now. It does have some juice left in it, though, so that's nice. The drill doesn't have a gauge on it either, so I really can't tell how much power or charge this battery has in it. So that's all right. This battery is a P190, as I can see on the bottom. This battery is a P191, and this one does have a gauge on it. All right. Now, I'm not putting the blade in right now, but we can just see how... Oh, wow. Sounds a lot better than I thought it would. Let's see if I can get some information off of here. Here we go. This is a P508 7 1/4 inch circular saw. I have plans for all of these tools, and I'm going to show you what that is here in just a minute. But first, let's continue. The first kit is done. Let's kind of set these over to the side so you can still see it. All right. So this is the first kit. Let's open up the belt sander. We have our dust collector bag. We have our owner's manual, operator's manual. And that's it. And this is brushless. Wow, this is impressive. So there's no battery with this. It's the bare tool. I'm not going to complain about that because this is a really good deal with getting free tools, period. I'm not going to complain about that. I've wanted this belt sander for a long time, or just a typical, belt sander that's battery powered instead of a, plug-in electric. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So it looks like your palm adjustment, there's a button here, so you can adjust this to go in the upright position, to the downward facing position, and it's multiple positions, so you can kind of put it wherever you need to. So you have a quick chains on the belt as well, the tensioners right here. This is model number, oh, hold on, they changed it on this one. P450, 18 volt 1 plus. Now, we'll see how it sounds here. Very nice tool. I'm not going to test this out tonight, we're just doing an overview, but I'd like to see how the dust collection bag works, and how long the battery would last on this guy. So let's set this here. Actually, we'll get it out of the way real quick. Now, this is something I'm really excited about. All right, there you go. You have two extensions. That rolls around really easy. Look at this. Not bad. All right, let's see. Battery goes here. Let's go ahead and pop one in. All right. This is model number P770. All right, we have two clips here. Let's see if this is the only clips. Nope, you got two clips on this side. You actually have bungee cords at the top. That's fine. Okay. We can see the deck. Now the deck has a really nice flat surface. A lot of vacuums don't have that for storage, so you can actually put the cord around. We'll test that here in just a second. But let's look inside of the drum. Now, that's something I haven't seen before. Have a couple more attachments, and obviously the hose right here. It's a decent size hose. Would like to have a little bit of a longer one. All right. So the filter actually stays inside, I would think. Usually it connects to the motor, but this one looks like it actually just connects inside. I understand if you're trying to dump this, it could get a little annoying, but I will not know until I test it out. However, you can see inside it has a lot of space and material. There's a 90-degree offset for when debris comes through the hose to inside of the drum. All right, let's see here. How can we store everything on the outside? And is this directional? No, it looks like it's omnidirectional. That's fine. Well, not omni, but it can go both ways. We have a handle on the side. This is really nice. So you have a handle at the bottom, both sides here. All right. Looks like. Oops. Oops. Okay, this can connect anywhere. It's just round. All right, let's. I've got this hose going everywhere, man. And you know what? It's not that loud. It may sound loud on the video. Obviously, I'm wearing a microphone, so not too worried about that, because my little vac from Milwaukee is probably double that sound, the decibel, easily. Okay, everyone, so here's my plan. I have a few tools here. So I am going to take these two vacuums, I'm going to pit them head to head, and we're going to see who comes out on top. They're both 18-volt powered vacuums. I'm not going to get into the specifications of the motors right now, but during the head-to-head we will do that. Milwaukee's proven to be a very powerful tool, and let's see how the Ryobi stacks up against it. I understand that there are Ryobi vacuums that are a bit smaller that are still 18 volts. However, I didn't buy that vacuum, and I did buy this because I saw value in just the size of the drum. I am not sponsored by Ryobi by no means. I used my own money. I bought all of these tools, and I would like to see how they work against each other. I'd like to see how they work in the field. I'm just really into tools, and that's what I want to do. All right, for the second head-to-head, I have Milwaukee's 18-volt impact. This has proven to be an excellent tool. It's made out of great plastics, great rubber overmold. Let's see, the catalog number is 2656-20. So it's pretty standard. It is brushed, but I feel that it'll do very good, or we'll have a good time trying these two against each other. You can already see a bit of a size difference, and I think that it'll be pretty fun. The next one, now this is a graphical representation. This is an 18 volt, obviously, drill driver. This is a 12 volt drill driver. I do have an 18 volt drill driver. I just don't have it at my house right now. I'm letting family actually borrow it. But I'm going to take those two and I'm going to put them against each other. Incredibly, this feels very light. There is a plastic chuck on it. It does have plastic clutch as well. You have 2 speeds, so it'll be nice to see how they do against each other. I'll be very surprised if this does win, but I've been surprised many times, so it'll be good to try that. All right, so this is the one that most people may be interested in. This is Milwaukee's 18 volt fuel, so brushless motor circular saw. And this, I've used this on tons of projects, almost every single project that I've done around my house, and I'm rebuilding my house. So this is used hundreds and hundreds of times. It's never let me down, and it usually lasts the full day on one battery, so it's pretty incredible. The catalog number on this is 2730-20. This is a 6.5 inch circular saw. This is 7 1/4. I believe this is brand new. I haven't seen something this big on their lineup before, so can't wait to get into this. I have a bunch of projects coming up, and we'll see how that goes. All right, so everyone, I really appreciate you watching. This is really fun for me, and I hope that you get a kick out of it as well and you enjoy it. Like I said, right now they have a sale going on. 2 free tools for a $249 kit, 1 free tool for $149. You can get a bunch of different manufacturers, so you don't have to be married to any one particular lineup as Ryobi or someone else. You can do Rigid or DeWalt or Milwaukee. But I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I have a lot of fun making them. If you did enjoy it, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like the head-to-heads that I will be doing soon, please subscribe. And as always, stay blessed, everyone.